Okay, so just a quick video on the Out Sunny corner patio set. I'm not going to show you how to put it together because it just comes with the nuts and bolts, which it tells you which ones to use, and some clips that clip the three pieces together. So if you just treat it like 3 sections, get your base with the side. So you've got your screw holes on there, screw holes on there, big one for the back. Treat the corner as a separate piece, so 2 back pieces, and you face it so that that is facing that way so that it can bolt onto there. Then the third piece is the same as the first piece. So you've got an end, knocked it over, and a back and a base, and then completely separately you've got your table, which you turn upside to assemble with your top. So if you lay it out like that, just use the right nuts and bolts, and I'll do some bits of it as I go along. Right, a quick tip for when you're putting this corner piece together. You're going to get 4 parcels depending on the size of the one you've bought. One of them's really big. Keep it. Don't rip it apart, and use it as a bench for putting your parts together, because I tried doing this on the floor and it was really difficult. Second tip, you've got lots of these to put together. In the side it's a thread into the side. On these it's a nut and bolt, and you need to be able to get your finger underneath to get the bolt on. Put it in very slightly with a couple of turns, but don't do them up tight until you've got them in, because they're not that easy to line up, and you're better off getting them all in just on a couple of turns. Once you've got them all in a bit, then you can tighten it up. The easiest way to attach the side and the base is to lie the base on the floor and then place the bottom on the side, and then you can get to your nuts really easy. Same for the back, lay the back on the floor, position your base and side on, and now you can get to where all the nuts need to go. Okay, we've done the same with the corner piece. Laid the side down, put the corner on, and then you can line up your bolts again. Just do them all loosely, make sure they're in a couple of 3 turns. To be honest, I mean, these things are quite difficult to use that they supply. If you've got nothing else, that's fine, or you can use a ratchet screwdriver if you've got a piece that will go in, or you can put a piece in an electric drill. And obviously once you've got them lined up and you know they're not going to cross thread, then it's really easy once they're in a few turns to go around and do that in a couple of seconds. So that's done. Then you can roll this over and put the other part on the back.